What's up everybody? I am still editing this video that you're watching, and turns out, one, I never introduced myself, not just in this video but basically in any other video. And secondly, I have the camera in my hand. Look at that. So I haven't really officially ever introduced myself. So what's up everybody? My name's Sarthak. I've been a photographer for the last 8 years. I've been on YouTube for the last 6 or 7 years, but I've been doing mostly tech and a few lenses or camera related stuff here and there. But I think it's high time that we take things to a much more comfortable level for me. And I think this is one of the right steps. So, welcome to the very first episode of Photo Battle. Yep, that's what I'm calling this. I had to come up with something. I mean, Photo Battle sounds pretty alright. So in this video, we're gonna see 3 photographers. Myself, who is, I don't want to call myself a professional. I'll say semi-professional, just for the sake of it. An amateur and a beginner photographer. All 3 of us going against each other, taking each other's pictures because we didn't have a model, and taking 5 minutes per person, per location, post-production, pre-production, and planning. These 3 things is what we're going to compare today. There's not going to be a definite winner or loser. It's going to be a loose end for you guys to just give your opinions on in the end. So yeah, just let me know how you find this video, or if you would like to see more such content on the channel. And yes, I am back.
Cap.
Hopefully. Properly. But yeah, it's been about 3 months again since I've uploaded, but I'm really trying to upload a lot more regularly. So yeah, I shall see you guys later. Oh, another thing. This video was shot about a month ago, so you're gonna see a lot of changes. Right, see you guys in a bit.
Hi, my name's Morgan. I've been in photography for about 3 months now, so I'm super beginner. The reason why I got into photography is just curiosity on, I just wanted to get a little bit more creative. I love photos, I love visuals, I love taking photos of people and myself, to be honest. Oh, by the way, my camera's a 250D and I've got I got 18 to 55mm lens on, but I was using a lot of 50mm lens when we were shooting today. I still need to get more comfortable with the exposure triangle and understanding aperture, ISO and shutter speed. But yeah, besides that, I'm enjoying doing photography at the moment. The more photography I'd like to get into is more portraits, fashion photography, and I do like landscapes and city shots. I understand they're very like, there's a big difference between all of them, but I just feel like you should just shoot whenever you feel creative, to be honest. Some of my favourite shots are of Elena. They're very pretty. I like the fact that they're not so I don't know what to say.
That's fine.
Cut.
I like you cut, G.
We'll go again on that, yeah. So my favourite shots were of Elena. So this is one of my favourite shots. It just looks very natural. It's a lot of, you can see like really pretty emotion in it as well.
Oh yeah, no, hang on. Let's just enjoy the ambient noises. Do love the fucking construction work. Anyway, I think.
I chose this shot as my favourite shot. It's very natural, very pretty. A picture says 1,000 words. I'm glad that my model was very comfortable with me being a beginner and giving me the time and patience to capture her very, very nice. Yeah, that's all I got.
So my name is Elena. I've been a photographer for about 3 years, but I've done it mostly as a hobby. I'm trying to get in more professional. I'm using a Canon 1300D with a 50mm lens. I'm quite happy with it, but I'm upgrading to the Canon 5D Mark III. About the pictures, what I want to improve in myself is posing, especially men, because I am not very good at that. I'm trying to get like a foreground and background, something that you could see a bit of, that there's texture in the picture, it's not that flat. particularly I like this photo because I've used symmetry and the model did such a good job. I like the colors in the background. Yeah, that's about it. I really like doing mostly close-ups because I want to get more into fashion photography and beauty photography, so yeah, I don't know what else to say.
That's right. So 5 minutes seem like a lot when you come to think of it, but when you're actually in there in the action, you know how rough it gets. So it goes by like 5 seconds and you're just panicking for like half the time. Of course, you can practice a lot and calm your nerves down that way and be a lot more in your... Like with time and practice, you can definitely control your nerves a lot better. But I think this challenge proves a lot when it comes to how someone progresses, how someone takes on a challenge at different points of experience when it comes to photography. I have a good few shots that I think are nice. I like to play around with a lot of depth of field, so I like having a foreground and a background and the midpoint to be the subject or the talent of the model themselves. That's something that is repeated in a lot of my pictures. I think the pictures that I'll be editing kind of show that very well. And that's just something I like to play with. I was using an 85mm throughout the shoot. I was using a Zeiss 85 1.4 and I was using 1.4 for the most part. I mean, not for the most part, never mind. I wasn't using 1.4 for the most part. I started with a 1.4 and the focus area is so razor sharp that nearly all my pictures were coming out absolutely absolutely blurred, not fucked. I can't say that on YouTube, that's so stupid. I changed my aperture value and then of course I found it to be a lot more easier. Of course I couldn't have gone auto because it's a manual lens. The Zeiss on the Sony with the the Metabones adapter. I'm also using an A7 III. I don't have it in my hands because that's currently being used to shoot this. I hope this video comes out to be okay and I hope everybody enjoys.